We've done some, reaching out, and it would estimate that in order to abandon one of these wells, plug one of these wells, it would take about 300 gallons of diesel would be burned on the part of the service firms that are out there getting work done. Okay, 300 gallons.
Right now, I went to public schools, and I can tell you right now, the math is going to be really lopsided, isn't it?
Yes, because 300 gallons of diesel will generate a little over 6,700 pounds of CO2, and again, these wells are leaking methane and CO2. About 8 pounds of CO2 per year. So, to abandon one of these wells, the effort would generate about 800 times more CO2 than what would be saved by closing these wells up, right?